Meaning of far-fetched.
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 Far-fetched. Far-fetched refers to something that is unlikely or improbable, often to the extent of being almost impossible. It denotes a situation or idea that requires a significant stretch of the imagination or involves a great deal of speculation. The term can be used to describe a range of scenarios, from the idea of aliens visiting Earth to a highly implausible explanation for a particular event. Overall, far-fetched suggests an idea or proposal that is difficult to believe or accept as true due to its lack of evidence or reason.